Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Claude Code with Ollama. First, install Claude Code using the official installation command for your operating system. Mac and Linux users can run the terminal command, while Windows users can use the PowerShell command. Once the installation is complete, open your terminal. For a quick setup, type Ollama launch Claude and press enter. Ollama will automatically start Claude Code and prepare it for use. If you want to use a different AI model, you can add the model option to the command before launching it. Claude Code can read, edit, and execute code directly inside your project, making software development faster and more efficient. If you want to automate tasks, use headless mode by adding the yes flag and then a double dash before your prompt. This is useful for Docker containers, continuous integration pipelines, and automation scripts. Another useful feature is web search support through Ollama, allowing Claude Code to find online information while you work. You can also use the loop command to repeat tasks automatically, such as checking pull requests, researching AI news, organizing GitHub issues, or creating reminders at regular intervals. That is how you can quickly set up and use Claude Code with Ollama to improve your coding workflow. Thanks for watching.